bright morning, ma'am. My name is Mr. Maysar from Dito and ICT 1A. So, my learning materials is multimodal, right? Because I use visual elements like the pictures, like the farmers, the pesticides, and the tractor. And also, the text and the poster provides the definition and examples, making it textual. And this learning materials is made for discussion, making it auditory. So using the visual, the text, and the auditory elements make it multimodal teaching material.
Okay, thank you so much for this wonderful and very comprehensive learning materials for my grade 8 agriculture students. So, it applies, I think it's visible, the visual is good and the color is good. So, my feedback is, I do hope to make more make more
Modal.
modal learning materials, no? So pwede man hindi lang hard, pwede man soft, because we're using technology. Thank you so much.